Most fire protection systems for through penetrations lack a product standard, and therefore CE marking is not mandatory. Instead, a classification report, according to the homologated test standard EN 1366 Part 3, or an ETA certificate that includes the result of several tests. Voluntary CE marking can be obtained by manufacturers through a multi-step process. It's necessary to obtain an ETA for the product and also to put in place a system of control of production that grants the constancy of performance, COP. In order to obtain certification on production control, it involves the 2 annual inspections by authorized parties. Passing these inspections allows the company to display the CE marking for the next 12 months. Here, we see one of the strengths of systems with CE marking. It ensures consistent quality and production methodology, meaning what is tested matches what is sold. This is why AF Systems invests annually in CE marking its products, even without a legally binding requirement.